Namaste, everybody. Welcome to Green Living Path. What's the most practical way, taking direct steps to get into your higher resonance, into flow state? Now, defining flow state. Flow state is when you're basically in alignment with the quantum field. All your energies are in alignment. Your mind's not fighting against itself, your ego and attachment. You're actually in flow state. You're in this state where it's like you're at ease. You're in this effortless state, this mind state. Now, the whole object of each day for me is to get into flow state as soon as possible. So in the mornings is key, because your mind, your ego and attachment will start trying to get into a confrontation inside yourself, your internal state. So straight away, you want to do meditation, then exercise. So the exercise can be obviously weights you want to have incorporated, stretches, and you want to have also some aerobic component to your exercise. Now the first one is meditation. Now with meditation, it's simply a way of tuning in to your higher self, guys. It's not woo-woo. It's something that's used by top performers, athletes, advanced yogis, deep spiritual people that want to put themselves in flow state and alignment each day. And because when things start happening to you in a negative way, or things going out pear-shaped, you're out of alignment. If the universe is saying you're out of alignment, you need to get back in flow state. But people will try and blame everybody else, the external, so you're out of alignment. So meditation will get you in that. This is just a basic mudra. It's called Yogi Mudra. You can sit there. Obviously, a straight back is important. Sitting in the same spot, having symbols such as the Buddha and Ganesh, okay, that empower you, give you empower. I've got Shiva on the wall there, the big fella. So things that empower you. My malas empower me, realizing that we're love, the lapis, okay, so that we're all part of this. These are just things that lift you up. So straight away, I'm in this place which is more empowering. I go to Yogi Mudra. Now, when you're a beginner in meditation, you want to be taking your breath in, focusing on your breath, guys. It's all you want to be doing. But slowing your breath down. Taking your breath through the nose. You've got receptors that take in prana in your skull here. Prana is energy, chi, which permeates all things. And it basically is the energizing force that helps keep us animated and keeps us alive. So what you do is you just basically close your eyes, breathing in through the nose and then out through the nose. Nice deep rhythmical breaths, guys. Nice rhythmical breaths. And just slowing it down. And this basically, when a thought comes into your mind, go back to the breath. So breathe in again and breathe out again. The in-breath taking in prana, the out-breath is letting go of any inhibitions or any thoughts. So you're blowing out the thoughts, you're taking in prana, and then you're letting it go out. So this will still the mind. This will put your mind into a deep cycle. There's different brain cycles. I won't go into that. And that then helps you connect with your higher state. You can now, once you're in this calm state, when you've been sitting there for a while, you can use the sense of expanding, knowing you're oneness with all things, with yourself, with all beings, with nature, with the universe, okay? So you get into that state that state of oneness, that you're no longer separate. Because when you're out of alignment, you're looking at people and judging them. You're looking at your body. You're looking at this. You're looking externally all the time. And so that you think you're separation from the whole. But you're actually, by meditating, you're basically becoming one. You're becoming in flow with everything. Everything is flowing through you. So that's the first stage, is meditation. Then I'll do some sit-ups, some press-ups, maybe salute to the sun for aerobic side of things. Okay, and then I'll do obviously headstands, inversions. I'll do lotus inversions. I'll do stretches, all kinds of different yoga poses. You can look those up. I've got them on my channel, so you can do that as well. And then that'll help you in the mornings you got to get into this flow state as soon as possible. And during the day, you can, if you feel like you've jumped out of flow state and you've dropped your vibration, you can go into a little meditation. This is just a few minutes, and you can do a few sit-ups, a few more press-ups, and a few more stretches, right, to get you back into alignment as possible. And then take action. Have your blueprint, what you want to do each day. Now, this is key each day, so you'll become high performance and you become a very powerful individual. And you're building your character and you're building your vibration every single day. You're actually growing your whole, expanding your consciousness, guys. And you're no longer, when you go outside or you're driving along, and you're not so much worried about you don't see the difference in things. You feel the oneness in things. This is when you're at a very high vibration. You're not looking for problems. You actually see that everything is the way it is, because it's teaching the individual that's trying to hurt somebody on the street or being nasty or a put down. That's where they're at. That's their mindset. They're in a negative mindset. They're out of flow state. But you're in a higher flow state. You're looking at things as one. You're looking at yourself as part of the whole. You've got more love in your heart. You've got more courage. You become a better person, and you're more effective in your day-to-day activities, your job, the people that you love, your children, and helping others, guys. So this is really key in setting up yourself for your whole day. And then what you're doing is you're stacking each day on each day with all this in flow state. And it's amazing what you can accomplish, guys. I mean, I've written 18 books. Who would have figured? I'm a modern day yogi, but I'm in the world, but I'm not off the world. So I've got 5 novels I've written. I've travelled to all different places. I've played rugby overseas, believe it or not. I've surfed big waves, 20-foot face on a reef. I've been to university, but it's your inner world, guys, which is a reflection of the outside world of your life. So you want to build that inner world, to expand that and have courage. The yin and the yang, combining that together. The female loving, beautiful, caring, nurturing side, and you need the strength and power as well. And when you combine those, you're way more powerful than just a guy that's going on I'm going to beat this guy, or I'm better than this guy, or I'm this. But when you combine both aspects, yin and yang, you're way more, infinitely more powerful. So that's the state you want to be in, flow state, guys. So I really hope this helped. Boot, subscribe. Let's keep moving on up. It's awesome to see you all, and we'll catch up.